on fire.
Nana, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. 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 Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today, I'm going to be making butter garlic beef and rice. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 2 cups of beef broth, 1 cup of milk, 1 pound of ground beef, 1 cup of long grain white rice, 1 small onion diced, 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, 1/2 cup of shredded parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 3 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of dried parsley flakes, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1 teaspoon of adobo all-purpose seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. In a skillet over medium heat, we're going to add in our 3 tablespoons of butter, and you want to let that melt. After your butter has melted, you want to add in your diced onion, and we're going to saute that for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you want to add in your minced garlic, smoked paprika, black pepper, thyme, and also your adobo all-purpose seasoning. And we're just going to go ahead and mix that for 1 minute. Now you can add in your ground beef. Now you can go ahead and break it down and make sure it's mixed with our seasoning all the way through. Now you can continue to let it cook until it's brown all the way through. Once your ground beef is cooked all the way through, you want to drain it of all excess grease. Once you've drained all the grease, we're going to add in our rice and also our beef broth. You can go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. Now you want to let it come to a boil. Okay guys, once it comes to a boil, you can go ahead and give it a mix. And we're going to lower our heat to low. Now you can cover it and we're going to let it simmer for 20 minutes. Okay guys, after 20 minutes, you want to go ahead in and mix your rice. Okay, we're going to keep our heat on low. Now you want to add in your cup of milk. We're going to go ahead and mix that in. Next, we're going to add in our shredded cheddar cheese. You want to mix it until it's melted. And lastly, we're going to add in our shredded parmesan cheese. We're going to go ahead and mix it until it's all melted. Okay guys, once it's all melted, just going to add just a little bit more of our shredded cheddar cheese over the top. And now I'm just going to place my lid back over top. We're going to turn off our heat until it's melted. Okay guys, look how delicious that looks. So now I'm going to do is take some dried parsley flakes. I'm just going to sprinkle some over top. Okay guys, so here we have it, our butter garlic beef and rice. And guys, this tastes so delicious. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?